Hi, it's Aaron here. In this video you're joining us on an afternoon visit to Pyrgos in Santorini. Pyrgos is the highest village on Santorini, known for its medieval castle ruins, panoramic views, labyrinth-like alleys and authentic Greek feel. Come with us as we check it out. But first we have to find and catch our first public bus on Santorini. Let's go. So we're at the main bus station in Fira, trying to get a bus to Pyrgos, which you need to look for a bus that's going to the name of the beach that's further on, but you don't want the express bus because it doesn't go to Pyrgos. But it goes in 10 minutes, and it's not here at the moment, and so far it just looks like organised chaos, so we're just going to hang out in the shade here and see what happens. Hopefully we got on the right bus. Well, we made it on the bus to Pyrgos. Now, I think we're heading up there somewhere by the look of it. That looks like the interesting spots. Right, but first priority is food because it's 1:30. We haven't had lunch yet. So this is hopefully a bakery. This is bakery. Well, that was cool. Not only did the bakery have some really nice food, there's an elderly gentleman in there, yes, older than 55, maybe 75, and yeah, he was very happy to meet us, say hello, and then we showed him where we're from. Right, let's see what we've got. So this is a potato pastry. One of these is sausage and one is chicken, and then one apple sweet pastry and one vanilla donut.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that was a delicious lunch. My goodness, that was nice. One of the best bakeries we've been to in the last 3 months. Now it's time to work it off. Straight up the hill, and it's hot. Just got passed by a big cruise ship tour group, but they didn't seem to come down to this church. So let's have a bit of a look, see what's around the front of it. Oh, you can see out to the barren desert out there. Oh, I see it starts to head back downhill there. Okay, we're going to keep going up.
Oh, yeah. En hoe is het gisteravond nog? Ja, wordt gevallen. Ja. En hoe is het gisteravond nog?
I wouldn't mind a coffee, believe it or not. Very good, because I wouldn't have guessed that. I guess you just keep going down. I hope
I think we're almost at the top. Okay, that's high enough.
Yeah, them going down already. It's a fine. I'm tiff.
I think we're up on the roof of Santorini now. Might be a bit windy, but check out this view. So straight ahead now, not the, oh yeah, just before that last white rocky outcrop, so back where it's more yellowy orange, that's where we're staying. Small view around here, you can see right round to the back of the island. There's the airport. It's just like a desert out there. Now we've just got to find our way out. Up and down, head down now, I think. That seemed to be the top. I think if we turn left here, we might not be far away from heading towards the bus. My sense of direction was pretty good. Now we can get another donut. Oh, that was lucky. We got the last 3 vanilla donuts. And a bottle of water. You've got to have a balanced diet. So the bus that we thought was at 2:45 was more like 3:15. So we got off the bus at the main bus station of Fira, taking the slightly scenic route back to the apartment, which is the same route we walked this morning but in the opposite direction. Oh, there's some nice breeze. It's very warm.
Она мне вот так.